Hey everyone, welcome back to Kuki Decor. If you love the charm of handmade gifts and enjoy giving new life to leftover wood, you're in the right place. In today's video, we are diving into easy and creative woodworking ideas that turn everyday scrap wood into beautiful handmade gifts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned DIYer, these projects are simple, affordable, and packed with personality. From rustic keepsakes to functional mini treasures, you'll find tons of inspiration to craft meaningful gifts straight from your workshop. So grab those leftover wood pieces and let's create something unforgettable, one handcrafted idea at a time. In a world filled with mass-produced items, nothing speaks more from the heart than a handcrafted gift, especially when it's made from something as humble and forgotten as scrap wood. At Kuki Decor, we believe beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, and today's focus is on breathing new life into those leftover wood pieces lying around your workshop. Whether you're working with pallet wood, old furniture parts, or trimmed off ends from past projects, you'll be amazed at how easily you can transform these scraps into meaningful, creative, and functional gifts. These ideas are not only easy to make, but also budget-friendly, eco-conscious, and packed with rustic charm. From candle holders and phone stands to jewelry trays, coasters, mini shelves, or even engraved keychains, the possibilities are endless when creativity meets simplicity. The beauty of using scrap wood lies not just in sustainability, but in the story it carries. Each piece, no matter how rough or weathered, has character. Sand it smooth, stain it with love, carve it with purpose, and suddenly, it becomes a heartfelt gift ready to delight someone special. These projects don't require fancy tools or advanced woodworking skills. In fact, that's what makes them perfect for beginners. All you need is a bit of imagination, basic hand tools, and a willingness to create something unique. You can personalize each item by engraving names, painting simple designs, or adding wood-burned patterns to make it extra special. Even the smallest piece of wood can be transformed into a key holder, a fridge magnet, or a charming wooden ornament. Imagine gifting a loved one a handmade phone holder crafted from rustic wood, or a tiny planter box carved with a personal message. These small but thoughtful items not only look beautiful, but carry deep emotional value, making them perfect for birthdays, holidays, housewarmings, or even as thank you gifts. For couples or weddings, a simple wooden photo frame made from scrap wood becomes a touching keepsake. You can even make wooden bookmarks, personalized wall signs, or pen holders, each project combining the warmth of wood with the heart of handmade craftsmanship. Another great thing about these scrap wood gift ideas is that they are perfect for year-round giving. During the holiday season, you can craft rustic ornaments, tree decorations, or wooden candle trays that fill the home with coziness. In spring or summer, a small wooden garden sign or mini herb box made from reclaimed wood brings charm to outdoor spaces. For Father's Day or Mother's Day, you can create personalized coasters, custom picture holders, or even a compact desktop organizer. These are projects you can make in a few hours, but the appreciation they bring can last a lifetime. Beyond gifting, these handcrafted pieces can also serve as thoughtful add-ons for your own home decor, or even as products for small craft businesses. Many woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts have turned these simple gift projects into side hustles by selling them at local markets or online platforms like Etsy. Scrapwood gifts have a high perceived value due to their handmade nature, yet they cost very little to produce, making them a smart and creative way to use your woodworking skills. What's most inspiring is that these projects are also a form of mindful crafting. Working with your hands, shaping raw scraps into something beautiful and useful, offers a sense of satisfaction and connection to your materials. It teaches patience, resourcefulness, and a deeper appreciation for the natural beauty of wood. Even the knots, grain lines, and imperfections become part of the story, a reminder that nothing needs to be perfect to be meaningful. So whether you're new to woodworking or just looking for a way to make the most of your leftover materials, these easy and creative scrap wood gift ideas are a fantastic place to start. At Kuki Decor, we hope this video encourages you to see potential in every piece of wood you might otherwise throw away. With just a little time and creativity, you can make gifts that are not only practical and pretty but filled with heart, intention, and personality. Get ready to be inspired by ideas that blend simplicity and creativity in the most beautiful way. One of the most significant advantages of using scrap wood is its eco-friendly nature. Instead of letting wood offcuts, reclaimed boards, or unused planks go to waste, you're giving them a second life in a meaningful and artistic form. This not only reduces waste but also promotes conscious, resourceful crafting. It's a simple yet powerful way to practice sustainability while creating something beautiful and functional. Another major benefit of making handmade gifts from scrap wood is the cost-effectiveness. Since the materials are typically leftover or recycled, the expenses involved are minimal, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious creators. You don't need to invest in expensive wood or tools, just a few basic supplies and a creative mindset can go a long way. This makes woodworking accessible for beginners and hobbyists who want to try something new without a large financial commitment. Beyond cost and sustainability, handcrafted wooden gifts carry a deep personal value. Unlike store-bought items, each piece reflects the time, effort, and care you've invested. These gifts are unique, customizable, and can be tailored to suit the recipient's taste or occasion. Adding wood-burned initials, painted designs, or custom engraving transforms a simple piece of scrap wood into a cherished keepsake. Creating these gifts also allows you to sharpen your woodworking skills in a fun, low-pressure way. From sanding and staining to assembling and decorating, each project helps you learn new techniques while producing something tangible and meaningful. It's a rewarding process that boosts confidence and offers satisfaction with every finished piece. Lastly, these projects encourage creativity and mindful crafting. Turning an ordinary piece of scrap wood into a thoughtful gift fosters a sense of pride and joy. It's a chance to slow down, work with your hands, and create something that reflects your style and intention. Whether it's a rustic key holder, a photo frame, or a candle holder, each handmade gift tells a story, making it not only a practical item, but also a heartfelt expression of care. Grab your tools, pull out those forgotten wood pieces, and let's start crafting gifts that are sustainable, special, and handmade with love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more nature-inspired, budget-friendly woodworking ideas that bring charm and warmth to every corner of your life. Happy crafting! Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new videos. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.